Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best way to set up payroll on Gusto when you're a small business. When I first started my small business, setting up payroll felt like climbing a mountain. All the taxes, the forms, the compliance. But transitioning to Gusto made it incredibly straightforward. Based on my experience, the key to a successful setup is preparation and hitting 4 main steps in the platform. Phase 1. Preparation is everything. Before you even log into Gusto, you need to have a few essential items ready. Trust me, having these documents on hand saves a ton of back and forth. Your company's federal EIN, employer identification number. This is your business's social security number. You absolutely need this. Bank account details. You'll need the routing and account number for the business bank account you use to pay your team and your taxes. State tax account information. This is the part that trips people up. Gather your state unemployment insurance, SUI, account number and rate, and your state withholding account number. Gusto will ask for these to file your state taxes correctly. If you don't have them yet, you'll need to register with your state's agencies first. Phase 2. The 4 steps in Gusto. Once you have your documents, the setup process in Gusto is broken down logically. Company details and tax setup. You'll enter your basic business information, name, address, legal entity type. This is where you connect your EIN and your state tax IDs. Gusto will then take the lead on setting up tax registrations in the states where your employees work. Pay close attention to this section and make sure your tax rates are entered correctly. Connect your bank account. You'll securely link your business bank account. Gusto will often verify this with a couple of small test deposits. So keep an eye out for those transactions to finalize the link. Add your people, employees, and contractors. This is the easiest part. For each employee, I enter their name and email, and Gusto took over. They send the employee a secure link to self-onboard. This is fantastic. The employee enters their own personal info, bank account for direct deposit, and completes their W-4. For contractors, you'll just need their basic info and a W-9 to get started. Define your pay schedule. Finally, you'll set up your pay frequency, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and your payday and pay period end date. This defines the rhythm of your payroll for the future. Once those 4 steps are complete, Gusto reviews your account, which usually takes a couple of business days, and then you're ready to run your first payroll. The key takeaway here is gather your tax information before you start the process and let your employees self-onboard. That's the secret to a smooth, headache-free Gusto setup for any small business. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.